The device is picking up a signal here, right at the mandible.
Wait, is that a power reading?
Yes, faint, but there.
All right, team, focus on the damaged suspension and the structural integrity of the cab.
Copy that.
Assess the bearings.
Watch your footing in the river, it's deep over here. The primary damage is around the light casing. Check the wiring bundle behind it.
Copy that.
Moving in now. The tires are completely shot, and these hubs are seized solid.
The corrosion is heavy on the suspension.
We'll need a full recovery and repair.
The chassis rails show significant fatigue here.
Hydraulic lines are corroded as well.
We need to address the structural integrity before transport. The rust is heavier here than estimated.
Scan the warped section.
Check the access hardware at the rear.
All right, connect to the chassis mounts. Secured, engaging. Stand back, tensioning now.
Keep it steady. Slow and controlled, team.
Understood. Tension on line 4.
Perfect. Secure the sides now. We need to move out.
All right, let's mark all the structural cracks here.
Copy that, boss. Checking the rear axles now.
Good, focus on the stress fractures.
We've got deep rust near the wheel well.
Tag it clearly.
All right, team. Let's get the chassis locked down.
Copy that, boss.
Cleaning machines positioned and ready. Keep the brushes steady on the cargo area. Move the hose to the snout. That's it, looking good. Keep it steady there. Looks like we're finally breaking through the grime. Just a little further to the left on the panel. Keep working on the jawline. We need to clear that heavy oxidation.
Copy, boss.
Good, move to the side panels next. The mechanical joints here are surprisingly intact, but we'll need to reinforce the chassis before addressing the cargo box's structural deterioration. All right, big boy, let's see what we can do with you. Commencing diagnostic sequence. Okay, let's confirm the marks on the chassis here.
Checking the rear axles now.
And this rust damage on the cargo box is significant.
Verifying the systems report now.
Deep corrosion here, cracked welds and missing fasteners. Look at this weakened metal.
Got it.
We need heavy reinforcement on this shoulder panel. It's unstable. Keep the pressure steady on the undercarriage. Almost got this hub clear. Watch the flow, it's getting deep.
Secure the rigging tightly.
Ready to lift.
Begin slow ascent.
Keep it steady. Watch that lower mount.
Almost there. Slowly, slowly.
Stop. Just a little to the right. Proceed with the hydraulic disconnects.
Understood. Careful with that harness, Mark.
All right, it's clear.
Make sure the chains are centered. Tightening the front anchors now. Verified. Engage the lift, slowly. Okay, engaging the lift. Steady now. Check the clearance. Looks good.
Keep it steady, watching the clearance. Clear on this side. Slowly lowering now.
The primary structural damage is to the front mounting brackets and the subframe. Focus on stabilizing these points first.
The oxidation on this hydraulic manifold is severe.
Check the thermal imaging on the tablet. It's spiking near the root structure. Worn seals, corroded fittings, and this hose are all compromised. It's a lot, but we can do this.
Setting the pressure, tanks ready. Be careful with the intake manifold. Roger that, lowering now. Good, let's start the cycle.
The rust is loosening, it's working.
Affirmative. The brass beneath is gleaming.
Excellent, the process is successful. Looks like it worked.
Perfect, just like new.
The bearings are good?
Good.
Excellent. Move on to the seals now.
Right. Torque the neck assembly. Keep torquing those manifold bolts.
Right away.
Watch that connection, it's delicate. Perfect, proceed with the main power relay.
All right, passing the fuel line. Got it. Now, the lubrication fitting.
The primary systems are engaging smoothly. The pressure gauge is reading optimum. Looks ready for deployment.
The chassis rails are heavily corroded. Cut carefully here.
All right.
That's it, remove it.
Copy.
Set it level.
Affirmative.
Good. Now, measure the gap.
The thermal signature is good. Affirmative, leader. Finishing the connection now.
All right, lowering the rear assembly now. Clear the area, I'll guide the robotic cart in. Components are secure, taking it over to the fabrication bench.
Torque spec is critical on this mount.
Checking the hydraulic pressure now.
Secure the crimp, we're almost ready. All right, hubs are ready.
Nice.
Let's get these mounted.
All right, let's get the fronts in first.
Agreed. Grab that jack.
Wheels coming through, watch your backs.
The chassis is settled. Excellent work, team.
Ready for final checks, ma'am.
Good. Let's make sure everything is perfect. All right, let's get this done. There we go. A solid structure underneath. Perfect. We're making progress. Keep the panel straight. I need that alignment perfect. Got it. Locking it in now.
All right, these old ones are tough. Got it. Now for the replacements. Perfect fit. Tighten them up.
Keep it steady there.
Just a little tighter.
That should do it. It's solid now.
Line it up, I'm securing it. Hoist ready, lowering now. Check the seal on the front bracket.
Keep it precise on the seam.
Got it, boss.
Good, keep going. Good, keep going. Excellent. The structural integrity looks solid. Just one final check on the plating near the eye.
Roger that. Checking pressures now.
Looking good, boss.
All right, slowly, that's it. Engage hydraulics.
Confirmation. Locking mechanisms engaged. Secure.
Mind the trim around the console.
Got it. This seat is heavy.
Almost done with the floorboards.
Move to the main panel next. Got it.
The mounting point here is completely warped.
Yeah, right.
We'll need to reinforce it before connecting the main control interface.
All right, section 3 is aligned.
Ready to route. Check. Securing the feed.
Perfect. Snapping connection alpha to beta. Almost there with these gauges.
Looks good.
Let's install them. Line up the portables.
Engaging.
Perfect. Set the core to receive the link.
Link established. The seat looks good. Run the final polish.
All right. Let's get this panel in.
Line up the lever with the guide marks.
Check the torque on the steering housing.
Hand me the 3/8 wrench. Wiring's secure on the main board.
Systems initializing. Checking electrical connections.
Status nominal. All green.
Main systems online. Ready for calibration.
Keep cutting on that lower panel.
Right away.
Grind that strut down. We're on schedule.
Keep focusing on that load-bearing beam there.
Initiating primary grind cycle.
Set the brace. Hydraulic arm down. Check for clearance. Looking good. Lower it. Clamps ready. Secure it.
Line it up. Secure the bolt. Keep it steady on the rust.
Moving to the beams now.
The primary reinforcements are looking solid.
Check the schematics. The access panel on the starboard side needs addressing.
Roger that. I'll get the torch.
All right, align that panel to the grid. Got it, hold it steady.
Let's torque it down.
Perfect, it's looking good. Keep sealing that panel there. Perfect.
Looks good.
Looks good. Yeah, looks solid.
Check the alignment on this panel seam.
Yes, leader.
Looks good over here.
The chassis and cab are perfectly aligned. Locking engage. Activation successful. It's complete.
The nose panel is looking perfect.
Careful around the teeth. The welds look strong, but let's refine this joint here.
Understood.
Excellent work, team. We're ready for the next phase. Keep the focus on the seams of the cab and cargo box.
Understood. Focusing air on the seams.
Good, now the wheels. Let's see that chrome shine. Almost there.
Just a little more prep work. This paint will look incredible. The finish is holding up perfectly. Looking pristine.
The paint coverage looks great. Check this seam here, make sure it's perfect.
Understood.
Line up the front panel, gently. Got it. Secure the corner first.
Hydraulics are clear. Lowering now.
All right, time to put this beast back together. Slowly, slowly. Perfect. Okay, slowly, just a little further to the left. Perfect, lower it gently. We got it. Nice work, team.
Make sure that fuel line is completely sealed, Sarah. I'm on it. Check the voltage on the cooling system first. All right, tighten the joint to specification.
Checking the torque. Steady.
Looks perfect. Initiate test firing.
The left eye is secure. Check the alignment on the right. Installing the final teeth now. Powering up the optics. Perfect. It's done.
Keep it steady. Down a little more. Looking good, ready to lock it in. Tighten that panel on the left. Final polish. Looks perfect.
Torque's good on these.
Alignment reads green.
She's ready to roll, team.
Systems check green.
Confirmation.
Initiating primary activation.
Affirmative.
Engaging hydraulic systems.
Copy that, hydraulics engaged. Looks good up front.
Steering clear.
Initiating steering test, moving on to brakes.
All right, big boy, time to stretch your legs. Sounds good, it's ready. All right, big boy, let's see what you can do.
Perfect.
Perfect, absolutely perfect. Take a bow, you earned it.
All right, Bear, final operational check. Engage steering. Good. Good. Increase throttle.
Looks perfect, boss.
She's ready. Team, let's roll.
Exceptional work, team. It runs perfectly. Flawless execution. We did it.